Do you want to ask on this? Because I think that you want to say something on this.
Oh, yeah, all I was going to say to Bhupinder's point is that I think I probably speak for all of us in saying that in our careers we've had some pretty tough times, and I won't do it from the stage, but if any of you want to grab a coffee with me later on, I can tell you some really, really embarrassing stories of a young, naive life insurance salesman getting everything terribly wrong in the early part of his career. But what I would tell you is that the best thing that happened to me was on the back of a failure. I was 6 months in the business, 21 years old, started a job as a life insurance agent. I was absolutely terrible. I made every mistake it was possible to make. I did not make one sale for 6 months, and I quit the business. And I went to join a real estate agency selling property. But the reason I'm sat here today is that I was worse at selling property than I was at selling insurance. So I ended up having to go back to the insurance business and had to find my way. So actually, my success in this business was based on my failure in this business. And that's a lesson for all of us, because the people who reach the top, they don't go on a different journey, they just stick around longer. That's the reality.